Welcome to La Mulita Panelero tour, the sweetest Antioquia route. We will begin our journey through the northeastern sugarcane lands of Antioquia, a lush green landscape making it one of the world's most biodiverse areas. Ascending up a mountain and 2 kilometers from the main highway, we will arrive to Trapiche La Mulita. 60 minutes away from city center, a traditional and delicious panela is born. A process full of magic, history, and tradition. Our tour will begin with the sugarcane plant. We tour the sugarcane fields all around the Trapiche while sipping one of the most typical drinks, lemon Guarapo. Our tour continues with the unsung hero, the mules. These wonderful animals handle the transport of the sugarcane in the areas where modern machines simply can't. They are considering the most precious part of the family and farm. We will continue with the tour inside the Trapiche where all the magic begins. In the hands of an experienced and wise artisan, a simple grass is transformed into a sweet art. Here you will be able to experience the process, how sugarcane becomes panela, filtration, boiling, caramelization, whisking, molding until getting the final product to packaging. Process in which many hands and hooves made the final result possible, a delicious 100% of organic panela La Mulita. Amongst the field of sugarcane, we continue our tour to the fique plantations, the closest to Medellin. Here, we introduce you to how we cultivate and harvest this multi-purpose plant. We return to the plantation's main house to have an exquisite, typical lunch of the region. The tradition of panela, just 1 hour from Medellin, the city of the eternal spring, the sweetest Antioquia experience. Tour Panelero La Mulita.